You won't believe how easy it is to make this 4-ingredient diabetic Instapot recipe. I promise the entire family will love this meal, and the best part, it will not spike your blood sugar levels. Stick around, you're going to want to know the ingredients, plus I have a free surprise for you at the end.
I cannot wait to show you how to make this.
I want to dig right into these ingredients. So I have olive oil. Now this was gifted to me. All right. And these are great gifts for the holiday season, especially, what do I get my, daughter-in-law or my mom who has everything? I get these olive oils. This is a lime flavor. I think it's going to be really cool in here. Defrosted chicken breast, about a pound. You see, I have my Walmart salsa. It's 2 grams of carbs. Y'all know I don't do fancy stuff. This is what I want to show you. So taco seasoning. So I got this over at Sam's Club, but when I shop, I do enjoy looking a little bit sometimes at the clearance rack. And I got this McCormick taco seasoning, and just look at the labels. And gang, I never, ever, ever want you to be ashamed to shop at places like Walmart, Big Lots, Kroger, Drug Emporium. There is nothing wrong about that. Don't let people give you the stank face, the poo-poo face, because they are too good to go to Walmart. I go to the fancy store. Well, you need to control, alt-delete them people out your life, because if they're not paying your bills, they don't need to tell you where to go grocery shopping at. And that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Now, of course, you can use your slow cooker in this recipe. All the ingredients in your slow cooker, cook it on low for 4 to 6 hours, but not today, because I'm using my Ninja Foodie. So get the lid off of that Ninja Foodie, and we're gonna pour about a teaspoon to a tablespoon of that lime flavored olive oil. Y'all, I was raised by a Cajun grandma. I really don't measure, which I guess can be a little bit of a downfall, but oh well. Add your chicken, and here's where I will measure. We have a cup of our salsa, and you can use about half a cup of the broth. You could just pour it directly from the can. 2 tablespoons of our taco seasoning. It's not shown, but I'm gonna put the lid on it. I'm gonna cook it on high pressure for 10 to 12 minutes, and I'm gonna do a quick release. This is beautiful. We're gonna grab those Mission Carb Balance wraps. This is a great meal. You're gonna layer that chicken on top of there. You could put some condiments on it if you like. This will not spike your blood sugar levels, and be sure to scroll below. Very important. Not only the recipe is down there, but I have a 7-day menu that I promise will lower your blood sugar levels. It will help you lose weight. Sign up for that. It's free, and make sure to subscribe to this channel.